everybody, but let's get straight into the video. As you can see, I ordered the T800 UPMAP. Does it work? You know, we won't know. Okay, let's get straight into it. The connecting wire for DUCATI, and this is the device itself. Okay, let's get to unboxing. Okay, right in this box we have, oh, it's very small actually, which is good because it can fit right inside the compartment under the seat. Okay, there she is. Just put my helmet there. Okay, before we open up the seat, there it is. Let's start it up and see how it sounds. Maybe you know it sounds different at idle. I'm gonna show you how it sounds while riding, but I'm just gonna give you an idle sound also. Stock exhaust. That's enough. Okay, I got the seat out. I'll just put it right here. Okay, I think it's this part right here. Yep, should be this one. And I'll do all the setup off camera and I'll show you what is it like afterwards. I just installed it. I updated the firmware. I uploaded the stock map onto the device, and I uploaded a new map onto the bike. So all is done. What's left is to ride. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I just did a ride. It's a short one around the car park, and I can feel the difference, and it's really good. So let's just skip to a clip where I'm on the bike, and yeah. Hello guys, now we're on the bike. We can see that there is my dashboard over there and my phone. My phone is actually displaying an app that is connected to the T800 UPMAP dongle, so you can show everything like the RPM, gear, lean angle, and like temperature, speed based on GPS, which is more accurate. Oh, okay. So yeah, as you can see, I'm testing out the lean angle, which is quite a cool function actually. Okay, now on my thoughts for the map itself and how does it feel on the bike. So it is actually much better. I can definitely feel the smoothness down low, because before that it was so jerky down in the revs, but now you know, you can move off more smoothly and you can feel that kick, you know, right off the bat. You don't have to wait so far up the RPM before you feel the kick. And one of the major plus points are definitely the O2 sensors, lambda sensors, whatever you call it, being disabled, because you know, I've had one of them fail on me before, and those things are damn expensive. In Singapore they're probably around 500 Singapore dollars. Granted, I got it for like 50 bucks on eBay second hand and it works fine, but still, for those people who can't get it second hand, you know, $500 is pretty heavy. So yeah, that's settled. One good thing about this T800 UPMAP is you get to store your stock map before you install this T800 to the T800 itself. So in case you want to go back to your stock settings, you can, and then you can upload your new map, your performance map, to it. So you can switch anytime. And if you, for example, in my case, I have not gotten an exhaust yet, planning to in the future, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I can just get another performance map with an exhaust and upload it to the ECU. But I have to pay this time because only the first time is free. You get a free map, comes with the dongle. But yeah, the second one I have to pay, and yeah, but it gives you that flexibility, you know. Anytime you want to change, you got the map for it, you know, you just have to download it. And the transferring just took me about 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe less. Yeah, so it was very easy and I would recommend it, you know. Cost me about 400 plus Singapore dollars to buy it, and 10 minutes to install it. Quick and easy. And so that concludes my review. Don't be scared if you want to try it. Oh look, that's my XSR. More videos on it coming soon, I hope. And yes, hope you like it, hope it was informational, and just ask in the comments if there's any questions. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Ciao. Oh, yeah.